Jamaica's Independence Day will be celebrated on August 7th, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button, cause you know it's your favorite Jamaican news reporter. Now, Jamaica's Independence Day. We all know it's August 6th, but for some reason, the government is up to their tricks. Here we go. The Minister of Labor and Social Security is advising the public that Jamaican Independence Day will be observed on Monday, August 7th. Section 2 of Holiday Public General Act and the schedule of said act provides that Independence Day shall be celebrated on the 6th day of August. However, where August 6th falls on a Sunday, Independence Day is to be observed on the following Monday. So, in keeping with the Holiday Public General Act, Independence Day is to be observed Monday, 7th of August. So the people them get an extra day off. Yeah, cause a party. And the people them out the road. And the Reggae and nephew sell off. So ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, your favorite Jamaican here on YouTube. I'm letting the people them know you have an extra day to celebrate the independence of the greatest island in the Western Hemisphere. Yeah, I'm talking about Jamaica. The Independence Day is the 6th of August. I mean, wanting to make sure only don't make a mistake, but in accordance to the public general, in accordance to the Holiday Act, the Independence Day will be observed on the following Monday if the 6th of August fall on a Sunday. So when I'm complaining for your extra day of holiday, I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more happiness. Jamaican Independence Day will be celebrated on August 7th this year, 2023. So nobody go out there go party the wrong day. You are gonna take more life.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We are every time.